Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be moving momentarily, so please remain seated, keep those hands on feet and legs inside the train, and keep us a little out of wild animals. Thank you.
Now for those who travel to enchanted worlds, mostly near the peaks of the big bad wolf with the cave on our left, and always seems to be after those three little pigs. Luckily they live across the way in those three houses, one made of straw, one made of sticks, and one made of guaranteed wolf-proof bricks. And then our story takes us straight to English village home to Alan, where one golden afternoon she followed the white rabbit down the rabbit hole and fell down, down, down. Wonderland. And of course things only get from city of mystery and enchantment, where a street guy named Aladdin first bumped into Princess Jasmine in the marketplace and stole her heart. And those that two are from separate worlds, the home of love and a little help from the king. They now live happily together in the Sultan's palace atop the hill. His name Archduke Princess Jasmine, and legend says that if you run the lamp and set the genie free, he will grant you 3 wishes. Let's make wishes to keep it comes true. Snow White wished for a safe place away from the evil queen and came across the cozy forest cottage on our right. Home to the 7 drawers, they let her stay there thanks to her kindness. And if you look close enough, you can even see the 7 dwarfs lying and hear them whistle while they work. Hills of cloaked flowers like the ones on our left, inspired by the 1933 silly 70s cartoon Lullaby Land. Walt Disney, and continues to inspire new stories to this day. Stories like Winds in the Willows with Mole, Rat, and Mr. Toad, The stately manor is coming up on our left. What? In his motor car on a wild ride to nowhere. It's of Arendelle with its castle at bay, its ship at anchor, and Elsa's frozen ice palace rising from the snowy-covered hills. There's your daughter of to the Alpine village ahead with Herbert Dependent wished upon a star for his puppet in the kingdom of Atlantica.
Ooh, look at that.